Today's vlog is nothing but all about myself कि मेरा जो रास्ता ऑफिस से घर का रास्ता है वो कुछ इस तरीके का है. This is the main road. This is also called Dubai Marina. I have been telling a lot of times in my vlog and I'm keep repeating it. और ये इन लोगों ने इस तरीके का walking area बनाया हुआ है जिसे The Walk कहते हैं. And why it's called The Walk? Because of this view. You can see all, the tallest buildings and the view, the boats, the yachts, and this big yacht, if I'm gonna zoom in, it's like a buffet. You have to get the ticket for it, and it starts like this time. I think they are prepping up, maybe around 7 or 8 p.m. they will start. And everyone they can have buffet in it, and it depends it's a Turkish one or kaun sa cuisine hai, because I don't know, but I'm pretty much sure कि किसी न किसी एक country wise ये yachts होती हैं. You can see down there is also one more passage here where you can cycling or you can drive scooties. The reason why I zoom in because you can see Kareem cycles there. And this is my walking passage now, all the way to my house. JBR, to go to JBR or to beach. This is also one of the place where you can go directly from the metro station. If you're coming directly from the metro station and not taking tram, then this is the area where you have to reach to the JBR, which is also called Jumeirah Beach Residence, जहाँ पे अक्सर लोग almost every tourist comes here. Whoever visits Dubai, they will come this place. So this is the whole area which I'm showing you right now. Metro से direct आप walk करते हुए यहाँ पे जाते हैं, and then you catch elevator. अच्छा, उस तरफ जाने के लिए you can see that's the place which is the beach, the JBR. उधर जाने के लिए you have to use this elevator. And this is kind of a pull, or the pedestrian pull, I would say. They have made the walk-in. So here you can bring your cycles, you can bring your Kareem scooties as well if you wish to. तो ये देखिए यहाँ पे मेन रोड है और हम इसी तरीके से वॉक करते हुए हम उस दूसरी साइड पे, ऑपोजिट साइड पे जा सकते हैं. एंड इट्स प्रीटी if for of course जो नए लोग हैं उनके लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा, but the ones who lives here they already knew, and if they don't know then this vlog is for them. यहाँ पे मिनी शॉप मार्ट्स भी हैं available कि अगर आप you're feeling dehydrated, you need some snacks or something, then you can grab something. They have different elevators from different spots, but I'm using stairs because my house is very near, so rather than using lifts I would prefer walking. It's better क्योंकि हम इतना तो ऑफिस में walks नहीं होती, but I think everyone in life should चलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और I think that is why people in long time they live longer than people now, because we walk less. We prefer comfort than struggles or hard work. तो ये यहाँ का रास्ता है पूरा जाने का. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, this is like all the way the main road which is connecting to JBR. So see, this is Jumeirah Beach Residence 1 tram station. You can also come here through the tram station, but if you're not using tram station, as I repeat, you can use metro, और metro से आप चलते हुए आएं और JBR जो है वो उस तरफ से था, बट
This is the main road which is connecting to JBR. So now I will be just heading straight to home. I wanted to let you guys know the complications regarding whether to take elevator or walk through JBR, but actually it all depends upon what you feel like. People take cycles, such as like elevator or just walk half distances.